Hello guys, today we will make a 2D character in Blender with two different ways. But first, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Do subscribe and also press the bell icon. And now open the 2D animation tab and reference image and just hide the camera here. And now you have to make the first step here is to make the layers for each body part. You have to make it separately, and for example, we will make the layers of body and right hand, for left hand, and for neck and head. These 4 to 5 layers you have to make it separately, because in the future tutorial we will add armature to it. So that's why it is important to make it separately. And now after that you have to just trace the image with the outliner by turning on the stabilize stroke. First of all, we will make the outline like we are making here for the head. And now Shift D to duplicate and W for opening that menu and mirror global X. Now just continue tracing. We will reduce the radius here of the brush to make it 10. And now just duplicate the eye and make outlines of the mouth. And one thing here, very important, select the right layer when you are drawing or tracing. And now we are using here curves option for saving our times. Shift D to duplicate and go to the sculpt mode for minor adjustments. And now continue the tracing. You will save your time by using the curve option. One thing is very important here, you have to make the right layer selection. So we will continue just tracing outline. First of all, we will just make outline and then we will make separately material and filling it. So our outline is done here, and now the turn is for the materials. So we will just quickly make the materials, and we will use here the eyedropper tool for making the color from the background image. And now just use the fill bucket tool and fill it on the right layer. Be careful when you are filling, you have to make select on the right layer for filling the color. So this is it for the first part, and now I will show you the second method of it. In the second method, we will fill the layers along with tracing by using the fill option. And now you can see that we are just pressing and it is, but I found this method is a little bit difficult because you cannot get off your hands while you are tracing. If you left off your hand at any point, you will may face a mess. And we will adjusting here by going into the sculpt mode. Now we are tracing the neck here, and now the turn is of the body part. So you can see that we cannot get off our hand at any point. You have to finish the loop first and then you can only get off your hands. So I found this method a little bit difficult. You can choose whatever you want. I just want to show you the both methods. And in the next tutorial we will add armature or bones to it. So don't miss that and stay tuned for the next tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below. And you can download the reference pic from the website of freepik.com. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, do subscribe and also press the bell icon and also share the video. Thanks for watching.